In Navi Mumbai, a major transformation has taken place. It's called Nisarg. Urban development often leaves little room for natural ecosystems. But this project proves that with the right vision and effort, nature can be restored even in the harshest urban settings. A large piece of degraded land, once used as a landfill site, is now a living urban forest.
आज हम हमारे एक सबसे प्रॉमिसिंग प्रोजेक्ट साइट पे खड़े हुए हैं। ये निसर्ग उद्यान जो एक पहले डंपिंग यार्ड हुआ करता था, हमने पूरी इसकी बाउंड्री में प्लांटेशन किया था और अब हम इसे पूरी तरह एक यूनिक प्रोजेक्ट में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं।
Not long ago, this was just a legacy waste landfill site and dirtiest place of a beautiful city. It was full of plastic, garbage, hazardous waste, and harmful chemicals. It was ignored and left contaminated, unsafe for people and wildlife.
जमीन दिखाएं ये कितना गंदे तरीके से कचरा है, पूरा डंप यार्ड ही है। इसको एक्सप्लेन करने के लेगेसी वेस्ट यहाँ होता था, जो अब नीचे मुझे लगता है हम जहाँ तक खोद रहे हैं हमें यही मिल रहा है।
Despite being in a fast growing city, this land had been excluded from development plans until now. The land had stopped supporting life. Rehabilitating such a site required detailed planning, scientific execution, and sustained effort. The forest was planned in phases using a mix of planting method Miyawaki, conventional, trench, and cluster models. This site was among the most neglected urban spaces in Navi Mumbai, a place where 20 lakh metric tons of waste had been dumped over decades. The environmental degradation was visible. Piles of waste, toxic runoff, and foul odor affected nearby areas. Chemical leachate with saline seawater had soaked into the soil. It wasn't just an eyesore, it was a serious public health and ecological threat. Contaminated layers were treated and fresh nutrient rich soil was added. Soil microbiology was restored using compost and indigenous microbes. 1.3 lakh saplings were planted, involving 160 plus local species. Every tree was chosen based on local biodiversity studies. Plantation involved local labor, trained workers, and volunteers, making it a community driven effort.
It's a delight to bring our employees over here today. We had a walk through the forest. We explained to them, the nature and how things have come back and how biodiversity has come back over here because of the greening of this patch. And that is so important in this world which is urbanizing at a very rapid pace.
We did the forest walk. It was amazing to see the saplings that were planted last year and seeing them become trees. And the new phase that will be launched now. A lot of us did the plantation, did a lot of volunteering work here, and I think it's not going to be just once this time. We're going to come again and again. A lot of us are waiting for monsoons to come so that we come here and do some bit of activity again here.
The site now hosts a mix of canopy, subtree, shrub, and some ground species, supporting complex biodiversity. Today, this restored land is a working forest ecosystem. Over 130,000 native trees from more than 160 different species have been planted. The soil quality has improved, the air is cleaner. Birds, butterflies, reptiles, and insects have returned to make this place their home. This is not ornamental greening, this is ecological restoration designed to last. Urban forests improve air quality, reduce heat island, and restore groundwater cycles. They bring back native fauna and create habitats for wildlife. They also offer people a space to walk, relax, and reconnect with nature right within the city limits. This is not just environmental work, it's public health, education, and community building. Since restoration began, over 50 birds, 35 butterfly species, and over 15 snake species have been observed. And remarkably, a family of golden jackals has become a regular visitor. Several media houses covered our Nisarg project while we were working on it. Nisarg is proof that damaged land can be revived. It shows that landfill sites can be transformed into green assets for cities. This model is scalable and necessary. Green Yatra is replicating this model in many cities like Pune, Delhi, Nagpur, etc., and restoring landfill sites as degraded urban lands at scale. Because when we restore land, we restore life. One forest at a time, we are helping cities become more breathable, biodiverse, and future ready.